But I'm picturing angels in this place. Glory to God. Zibanda boko shata. Come on. We have more than enough here this morning. The Bible said, where two or three gathering, touching anything concerning God, He promised to be there. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Come on, come on. I need a man. I need a woman. Oh, shiko. Habakoturu bushiko ndoro boko sondo nibiyo kotora na bushata enda na busiki ndiri kutu 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 na bushike toro na bo abo shiko to sata enda na bo kutu sende ha hola. It takes spiritual mind and spiritual eyes to understand spiritual things. You don't know why I dare quietly God called him in this area. There's a stronghold in this atmosphere that needs to be broken. It don't need 50. It don't need 100. It only need a few to break this stronghold, and the men and the women. I don't know Jersey City, but the drug addict, the homosexual, the prostitute, God sent you here for them. You may not be an eloquent speaker, but you have greater is He that is in you through your praise and your worship. So I said, you gotta worship God now. Children, I want the children to worship God. Just lift your hands and praise God. I guarantee you, somebody in this area gonna come to church next week. Call me and tell me, hallelujah. It is the Spirit of the Lord right now as you begin to praise God that is gonna draw them here. Come on.